Hi, I'm Tim Edmondson, the Managing Director of Edco Cleaning Products. Edco are the exclusive Australian distributor of Numatic International products, the manufacturers of the famous Henry vacuum. Henry is loved the world over by commercial cleaners, hotels and households alike for his famous build quality and reliability. That famous reliability is engineered into the Numatic NX Pro Cordless range of commercial vacuums and scrubber dryers that we launched in Australia in early 2022. At the heart of the NX Pro Cordless system is the NX300 lithium battery that offers class-leading performance in each of the NX Pro Cordless machines. And today we're excited to announce that we're extending the warranty on the NX300 battery from 1 year to an unprecedented 3 years. This warranty extension also covers all NX300 batteries already in service across Australia. The NX300 battery is engineered for 2,500 charge cycles, which means even if you use your battery once a day, every day, you can expect over 6 years of working life. Combine that longevity with the reliability of the NX Pro Cordless machines, and we know that nothing else on the Australian market can deliver that kind of real-world value for money. If you haven't seen the NX Pro Cordless system in action, please contact us today and book an appointment, and we'll bring the range to you for a demonstration.